안녕하세요. 오빠입니다. Hello everyone, this is 오빠. Do you know what number to call in Korea if you have an emergency? In this video, I will teach you two important emergency numbers in Korea, 112 and 119, and three simple Korean sentences you can use when you need help. Call 119 if there is a fire, accident, or someone needs an ambulance. Call 112 to report a crime if you are in danger or if you need police assistance. Here are three Korean phrases that will help you when you make an emergency call. The first one, I can't speak Korean. 한국어를 못해요. Say it with me. 한국어를 못해요. 한국어를 못해요. 한국어를 못해요. The second one, I'm from. For this one, you need to say your country and then 사람이에요. For example, if you are from the US, 미국 is the US, so you can say 미국 사람이에요. If you are from China, 중국 is China, so you can say 중국 사람이에요. If you are from India, Indo is India, so you can say 인도 사람이에요. Let's practice. Say your country in Korean first, and then 사람이에요. One more time. Say your country in Korean first, and then 사람이에요. One more time. Say your country in Korean first, and then 사람이에요. Lastly, is interpretation service available? 통역 서비스 가능해요? Repeat after me. 통역 서비스 가능해요? 통역 서비스 가능해요? 통역 서비스 가능해요? Here is how you might use these phrases in a real situation. 한국어를 못해요. 미국 사람이에요. 통역 서비스 가능해요? Even if you don't speak Korean, saying these three sentences can get you the help you need. Emergencies are scary, but knowing who to call and what to say can make a difference. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Thank you. 감사합니다.